39 The Wolf. Check the promo guy. Wolf New Music Showcase. Sara Darling in studio, and it's been so fantastic. And we talked about her life, and she met Wayne Newton, and then she was in a video with Big and Rich where she was a mannequin, and a new album's coming out on June 9th, and she did something with Harry Smith from the Today Show. So she has this really well-rounded career already. And then I find this thing where it says you have your little sayings called Sara-isms, and I'm interested to hear exactly what those are.
This is going to sound so bad because I get, normal sayings like a bull in a china shop.
Right.
I get that messed up, and I make my own of like a bull in a china cabinet. That's just an example. It doesn't make any sense, and I say that, and people are like, that's not right. And then
I think it's close quarters. A cabinet's bigger than a shop, right? So it actually makes more sense.
Which makes me realize I don't understand what it means in the first place.
Right.
I just get them all messed up. So
that's
what Sara-isms are.
Sara-isms. So it's when you're a little bit off on what a popular saying could.
Yogi Berra of music.
Exactly.
What about Yogi Berra?
Oh, the things he would say like that.
Oh,
so she's the Yogi Berra of music.
Yogi Berra of country music.
Yes,
right.
He said something about the game being 90% mental and 50% physical, stuff like
exactly.
that. I get it. So, like we're talking about, your new CD comes out June 9th. You've done 3 unbelievably great songs, and now I'd love for you to do a 4th.
Well, I am so excited to play this one. This is called Whenever It Rains, and of course, the morning that I wrote this song, it was pouring down rain, and I get this text message saying how much I'm thinking about, this guy thinking about me, whenever it rains, and he gave me the song idea. This is called Whenever It Rains. I hope you like it.
Sometimes the things you thought you had are gone like that. Oh, our time ran out, but I still think about you now. When I see clouds, when I hear
Fantastic. So we hear 4 songs off the album already. Haven't even got to the first single yet. They're all